Hi, hello, this is Brishali, your spiritual leader, psychic medium. Today I'm going to be talking about what really happens when you have a black magic. That is a black magic intentionally done on you. This energy is different as compared to a psychic attack. If you want to know more about psychic attack, I've already made a video and it is there in one of the most viewed videos. You will find it very easily. You can check that on my channel. I am specifically talking about black magic, and this just came intuitively to me that I should be making a video on this. I wanted to make video about something else, but then this just came, you know, and I thought maybe Spirit wanted me to do this video, so I thought let's quickly shoot it. Okay. Firstly, those who have experienced black magic and they would definitely resonate to the things that I'm going to be disclosing now or talking about. But most of the people who do not know what black magic is or they don't believe in this kind of concepts, it's okay. If you don't resonate, it's totally fine. It's just energy. And I just want you all to know that things like this definitely exist. Even though we are educated, we live in a modern society. There are certain part of the society which are not modern. They are very orthodox and traditionals, and they do follow certain practices which are really weird, and it's beyond even imagining and understanding of a common man who is educated, gone to school or college, lives a 9 to 6 job life, and doesn't understand that why things suddenly start collapsing in their life, and why things are not good as they used to be. So that's when we have to start connecting the dots and figure out what's wrong with our life. So one of the first indications is like extreme mood swings. So you start becoming a person which you are not usually, and you tend to start looking different. You have dark circles because you're not sleeping properly, you're not eating well, or you're eating excessively. You get angry, irritable, frustrated, and the mood swings are pretty high. You start losing interest in your daily life. You stop maybe working, or you quit your job, or you start losing money or things or track of time. These are the very heavy indicators. Usually people speak a lot, like if they are under the heavy effect of black magic, they'll just keep talking. They don't know what they are even talking. Sometimes there's a change in the language or the voice tone, or even the way they carry themselves, their hairstyles. So it feels like as if there's another person inside that person who is trying to do things and trying to achieve things what the entity that is entered in the person's body. Now usually this is a black magic energy which has been intentionally done by somebody. Most of the cases it is a loved one, it is a trusted person. And why this is done is like, in today's world, that money and economy is getting more and more tougher to manage. So people want to grab things what you have, what you have. Maybe you're a nice person, maybe you're a positive person, maybe you have a lot of positive ideas, maybe you have a positive aura, maybe you're doing a very good business, or you have an amazing job, or you have an amazing relationship, you have good children, you have a good house, you may have lots of property, you may have gold jewelry, or you may just have a lot of knowledge about something which the other person is desiring, and they know that they cannot get it directly by asking you, so they try and figure out ways how they can snatch it through you. So most of the people under the black magic effect are controlled, are heavily manipulative. So if you are stuck up in a relationship or a marriage or a job, or maybe even a certain house, you're thinking about leaving that house, maybe it's rented, maybe it's a property that you bought, or it has come through your ancestry. You're trying to leave, but you are not able to move out, like whatever you are trying to do, and it just doesn't happen. There are lots and lots and lots of obstacles coming and hitting through, and you find it like really difficult. Okay. Some of the signs is like, I feel dead cats around, or the dogs, they will behave weird. You may have certain birds coming and making noises, or birds mostly you see crows, okay, in India. They are widely known about the energy of crows. So even that can indicate that a spirit is howling around there. And so these are all some indications. I'm just trying to connect with more thoughts, and trying to tell you everything, because my videos are pretty raw, and I shoot it just when I start receiving all the information, so that I myself don't miss out on any points, or I don't put my logic in that. So I exactly tell everything that I feel during a reading. I feel what energy is trying to tell me. The universal, the higher energies are trying to tell me. My angels are trying to tell me. So I exactly say that. And the person under the black magic effect will behave differently on a new moon day and a full moon day, definitely. And of course, if an eclipse is falling through that, it will be even more worse, okay, because the energies are pretty sensitive at that time. And needless to mention, they will demand meat, too much alcohol, cigarette smoking, and eating at odd times, not sleeping well in the night, and roaming around, maybe just walking out, and not having a normal schedule or a routine. And definitely, life is not as it used to be. So the overall issues are a lot when the black magic is at play, and this is all done, to stop your progress, to hit you hard financially, to break your relationship. But end of the day, okay, it's your energy, because this is a process where your aura is weakened. And if you are a believer in God and higher frequencies and energies, and if you have a pretty healthy practice of meditations, eating well, vegan or not vegan, not talking about that, but if you have a good spiritual routine, you're connected to Mother Gaia, and you have sense that yes, I am going through something and I need to address this, then definitely you can come out of it. I'm not saying that you should go to somebody who will remove that black magic spell, or do some voodoo or witchcraft or anything. I'm not saying that. All I'm trying to say is, like, you can come out of this bad energy effect by your own strong will, and your own strong willpower, and your own hard work, and your faith and belief in God, okay? Because one thing I want to say, that black magic effect is not permanent, okay? It is temporary. It may last for a couple of days or weeks or months, depending upon what sort of work they have done on you, and it will come out, okay? It won't stay for a very long time. Like, I've heard from one of my spiritual mentors, that some of the severe black magics that have been done will last, the effect would last up to 7 years, okay, but not more than that, because definitely there are higher energies, and divine intelligence will not accept anything against the law of nature, against the positive law of nature, okay? Remember one thing, in this today's 3D matrix world, people can do anything behind your back, okay? So keep your eyes and ears open, keep your intuitions active by listening to what your heart says, because most of the people disregard their emotions, and they do not accept what they are intuitively receiving from God, okay? So try to analyze your intuitions, because people can really do anything to destroy the peace in your house, or maybe to snatch your property away, or just keep you stuck in a bad marriage just for the sake of money. Maybe they don't love you, or maybe they just want to show it to the society that yeah, everything is nice, everything is rosy, everything is glory, and they don't want to like disturb anything. So most of the people are under the spells, okay? And uh, this is an energy we should definitely look into. This could be happening to your friend, or yourself, or your parents, or your sister, cousin, anybody, okay? So it's always good to know this stuff, isn't it? And once you know that yes, whatever I've said today, it is connecting, right? So you need to work upon that, okay? And once you are aware about this, you can definitely make a change. So that's it for today. That's it for now. I wanted to share some more stuff, but it's not kind of coming through right now. Maybe I'll make a part 2 of it later. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.